How to get backup codes on Instagram. Instagram backup codes are essential for accessing your account if you ever lose your phone, switch devices, or cannot receive your two-step verification codes via text or an authenticator app. They are one-time use codes to get you back in. Here's how to find and save them. Launch Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. On your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines hamburger menu in the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Settings and Privacy. At the very top of the Settings and Privacy page, you will see Account Center. Tap on it. Within the Account Center, scroll down and select Password and Security. Under Security Checks, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Select the Instagram account you want to get codes for. Within your two-factor authentication settings, look for an option like Additional Methods or Directly Backup Codes. Instagram will then display a list of 5 to 10 unique one-time use backup codes.